Thought I'd just do a quick little video for those of you that have a iron problem in your water. This is how I solve it. As you can see, the PVC pipe, 25mm PVC pipe that comes up, and I've got two little I call them filters, but I take the filters out. What I do is I actually put in the little spa chlorine tablets. Okay, pop them in here, put about 2 or 3. So when the water comes up there, it gets mixed with chlorine, so it gets chlorinated, if you want to call it that. And then I go up, and I've just got a little bin that fits nicely in the hole here. And I have 3 little garden sprayers inside there, which then sprays. So now the water also gets aerated, actually oxidizing the water, so eliminating, bringing out the iron. So and then in the bin, I have a 40mm pipe going down on a T-piece right to the bottom of the tank. This is a 5,000 litre tank. So it goes all the way down to the bottom with a T-piece with end caps on, but then I've cut slots. So what happens, the water now kind of percolates up, and the heavy metals like the iron stays down, which later I can flush. I flush this out here to the drain over there. And so it then percolates up and then overflows here. Now originally I had it running down over here and then under the ground, and then coming through that tank there, going up into the tank through that valve, go in, and then it would then flow up and then overflow and then go get filtered. Sorry, there's filtering material in there. So I've silica sand. From the bottom I have gravel, charcoal, but I use the hardwood charcoal, like the Namibian hardwood, and silica sand. So it flows over and then goes underneath here and into the holding tank there. However, coming from the bottom up, it's a bit, it slows it down radically. So what would happen is that this one would overflow, as you can see here, because the pump fills it up too much. So what I did, I just added another tank to it, which took a T-piece off here. So once this one fills up and can't handle, it then overflows on this one, okay, and then runs to this tank, which I then have charcoal on the top. I then have silica sand, and a bit of gravel, and then silica sand again, and then gravel at the bottom. And then it goes also underground to this holding tank. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to have a look at my little contraption here. I don't run it in the house. I'm just don't have the confidence yet. I must test my water. But what I do here is, now this is running from our tanker here, the pump kick in. There we go. And then got this beautiful clean water with practically no iron in it. That bit of orange here, that's like previous stuff. And as you can see here, it sprays on the walls. You see sprays on the walls there. There's the sprayer. And yeah, don't have any iron problems. So the water is nice and clean.